okrum kawuono, siasa entie kiny kendo biro higni mabiro. To Nyasaye ani joma ywak gin jok ma nyocha omayo joma giywak ne gin omayo gi kawuono. No support Raila Odinga for president ni to kombe mamoko tigone ng'ami. The independent gi joma nokoyudo kata kura 300 tema goku.
We as members of ODM and NASA have nothing to fear. And we have stated several times that we want peaceful elections. But the elections must be free, fair, and transparent. That is what will make these elections peaceful. And we have also urged all our members to conduct themselves peacefully and with discipline. We would like also Jubilee to honor this. Don't want Jubilee to behave as if they're already in the next government. See, Jubilee is busy making so many empty promises. And so yesterday, the president using what is a national day to do campaign for Jubilee, supposedly extolling the virtues of Jubilee, the successes of Jubilee, and so on. That is not a subject for a national occasion like yesterday.
Kata committee